So now talking about the structure of virus. This is a simple structure, not complex one. Okay, so the my first point is that they are composed of nucleic acid and protein. In all the virus there is the nucleic acid and protein. If there is not protein, then there will be the nucleic acid main in all the virus. All the virus, the nucleic acid is main. What is the nucleic acid? So this is the structure. Okay, so here there is a nucleic acid which is composed, or you can say there is the RNA and DNA. You can say the genetic material as well. Okay, so they are composed of nucleic acid and protein coat. Protein coat is the, you can also say the nucleic acid as a central core as well. Central core. I'm talking about the protein coat downward. Okay, so next point is the nucleic acid is called the central core. I told you. We can also say the nucleic acid as a central core of the virus, or you can say the nucleic acid. Now it is known as or you can say the protein coat. The protein coat is called capsid. What is capsid? So this is a outer layer which is known as the capsid. This is a protein coat. Okay, so it contains many subunits which is called capsomeres. Then now what is capsomere? Capsomere is, this is the subunit of the capsid, is known as, this is the capsid and this is the capsomere. Capsomere is basically the subunit of capsid. When capsomere combine and make a capsid, or you can say the protein of layer. So the next point is virion. Virion is the name of the virus, but this is the, now I will be telling you that what is virion actually. They are complete infectious virus particle. For example, when they are like inside our body, they will affect our cell in our body. It will be known as virion. So outside of the body, inside of the body, it is called virus. But when it will be like affected to the host cell, when it will be affected to the host cell, we will be known as virion. But if the virus is like outside of the body, it is virus. Inside of the body, it is virus. But when it will be like moving into the host cell, so it will be known as virion. This is also a virus, but this is the name of the virus which will be called as after the infectious to our cell when it will be moving into our body. So they are capable to infect, you guys all know. So now there is some viruses have necessary, or you say the necessary structure, such as bilipid layer, envelope known as enveloped virus. So yeah, talking about what is like enveloped virus. So enveloped virus are not all of the virus are enveloped virus. There are some of the variant which are like enveloped. So what is enveloped? For example, there is a host cell, and this is the host cell of the human being. And when the virus is like moving outside, so it will be doing the exocytosis. When it will be like getting material from the cell and move outside, it will be producing like there is a bilayer like envelope it will be produced. When it will be doing exocytosis, you can say, or you can say that it will be moving to the outside of the cell, it will be like producing the structure which is like envelope envelope or you can say the envelope virion. And this is the bilipid layer. Not most of the virus make the envelope, but some most of the like not all of the virus like make the envelope, but some of the virus is there which make the envelope when it move to the outside of the cell of our host body. So this was the structure of simpler structure of virus. As you guys all know, this was the nucleic acid inside the uh, protein or core. So the nucleic acid, there are the DNA and RNA games. As you guys all know, this is the genetic material, and capsid is a protein core. When capsomers is the subunit of capsid, when it will be like joining, all the capsomers will be joining and make a protein or core which is capsid. So I hope you guys all understand the structure of virus.